All right, time for a check on our Monday forecast here with Michelle. She has the latest now on this snow that's falling. How much is going to fall and when will it be out of here, Michelle?
Yeah, not a lot of snow, Patrick. We've been talking about that for several days now. It's more a timing issue than anything else with this little bit of wintry weather. And right now it's a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain for much of our area that's falling right now. But it's really not so much about the amount, but the fact that it's impacting this morning's commute. That's the main concern, and any untreated surfaces will be slippery this morning, even with that light coating to perhaps as much of it as an inch of snow in spots. Our temperatures in the middle 20s, Gloucester, Coventry near 29 right now. Providence is still below freezing at 29. We've warmed to 32. New Bedford, 31, Newport and Ninigret, but still icy conditions expected there with some pockets of freezing rain and sleet still falling. We're tracking this mixed precipitation here for these first few hours of the morning, transitioning and ending as very light plain rain showers and drizzle. Certainly it's not a major storm system, but we followed up by much colder air, and we're gonna have to watch for some light snow again tomorrow. So a busy couple of days here to start off the work week weather-wise. It's 27 again Smithfield. The Cape, as you can see, back up in the middle 30s, Plymouth near 33 now. So as expected, southeastern Massachusetts warming up first, and that's why you're not under the winter weather advisory there. We're still under a winter weather advisory for most of our area, though, including Rhode Island, the exception of Block Island, Bristol County and western Plymouth County as well. And as we widen out the view here on the satellite and the radar, you can see this very light snow falling across much of New England overnight, and starting to see it mixing along our area here in southern New England. So that transition to plain rain happening first at our coastline, but taking later in the morning in our farther inland spots, especially north of 95. So very light winds. That's not going to be a main concern with this. Maybe some school delays here first thing this morning, and the road impacts for early morning commuters especially will need to be treated, so the roadways will be a little bit slippery if not. And that's why we're putting up that yellow caution sign for the morning commute. A wintry mix transitioning over to rain as those temperatures climb from the 20s this morning into the low and mid 30s by late morning. Cloudy and drier for the evening commute, about 38 to 43, and we spend much of the evening and night under dry skies. Here's the future cast, and this is at 7 o'clock in the morning. So at this point, especially south of Providence, we should be warmed up enough that we're mostly seeing just plain rain showers. But this area of pink for north and west of Providence, that's where we're still thinking that at 7, 8 o'clock this morning, some freezing rain, some sleet still a possibility. And it takes until, again, late morning to see those temperatures warming up. By 10 o'clock, lighter rain showers, sprinkles, drizzle, winding down. This is 2 in the afternoon. And then as we get into the evening hours, the evening commute should be much better. Drier skies, and again, just mostly cloudy through the nighttime. So another quick moving system on the way for tomorrow. Our computer models have been struggling with how far north this impacts our area. In this particular latest computer model, bringing some snow to areas especially south of Providence, but I'm going to be forecasting at least some light snow up across northern suburbs as well. The potential is there for some small accumulations tomorrow. I think it'll start after the morning commute though. So here's that 7-day future cast. Low 40s for today, that wintry mix to lighter rain showers mostly this morning. Tuesday's high near 35 degrees, more light snow possible, mostly between say 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. with accumulations of about up to an inch possible. Back to dry, very chilly weather here Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures barely hitting the freezing mark each day, and you see some of those overnight lows in the teens. And then looking ahead to next weekend, maybe yet another coastal storm system, an offshore storm to watch with a chance for some rain and snow depending on the track of it. And the timing right now looks to be late Saturday into early Sunday. So busy weather pattern here for this week ahead. We'll be keeping you updated always on air and online, WPRI.com. Here's JamCam traffic reporter Gina Brown.
Well, traffic right now is actually looking pretty good in Warwick. You got the shiny road surface there. It looks like no accumulation. The temptation for motorists is to speed. Do not be fooled. It's slippery. Let's head out to the maps now. Just getting word of an accident here, 95 northbound on the left-hand side by exit 30 in Pawtucket.